What is going on, my friends? I'm just popping out of the rabbit hole. I was deep down in there looking for something pretty unique and special, and I'm pleased to announce that I absolutely found it. This is gonna blow your mind. So have you ever heard of cel shading? Cel shading is a drawing technique that can make something look like it's from a cartoon, a video game, or a comic book. Really unique and distinctive from everything else around it. So what I'm about to show you is not edited in any way, and I was absolutely blown away the first time I saw this. Welcome to Heretic Medusa Cel Shade. Yeah, we're gonna dive into this one right now. We're gonna take a good look at it, and I'll let you know my overall thoughts. Let's go. All right, taking a look at the Medusa in cel shading. Now, I don't usually show the package, and I'm not gonna spend too much time on it, but I thought it definitely warranted a few seconds of your time. Now, the way this package opens is you just slide it out, just like that. Really cool. They did a great job on that. Much appreciated, for sure. Adds a little bit of flair, a little bit extra to the whole purchase. Now, when we look in here at the plastic that's covering the knife, check that out. This is not a toy. For you kids out there, this is definitely not a toy. So let's take a look at the knife. This is not gonna be a full review, it's gonna be more of an overview because I haven't really had enough time to test this out in terms of the durability, all that good stuff, and we'll put a full review later, but this is more of an overview. So let's open this bad boy. She's a beauty. Oh my God, is she gorgeous. Wow, okay, so she's coming in at 7.56 inches overall. Blade length of 3.25, handle length of 4.5. Now this is all Cerakote covered and then painted and then clear coated on top of that. We have a titanium backspacer back here, and there is a ton of jimping on this knife. A ton of jimping. You got it way back here on the handle, up here on top of the Magnacut tanto blade. And then over here on the flipper tab, on the bottom side of the scales, on both finger spots, lots of jimping there. And then on the back side, we have the titanium clip with the ball bearing, so you can just move it in and out of your pocket easily. That's actually a wonderful, wonderful design. But this knife all comes down to what they did with the cel shading. And if they did not have excellent, excellent artists that knew how to cel shade perfectly, this wouldn't sell. This wouldn't look right. So they absolutely nailed it. Absolutely nailed it. Let's see if we can get in real close, give you guys an excellent look on everything here. So even in the handle, you're gonna see here, there's depth into that handle. I don't know the material in here. I'm not quite sure if it's some type of carbon fiber or G10. I really am not sure. It doesn't say in the description anywhere. But what I can say is that it is super, super grippy. So you have all of this grip in here when the fat of your hand is going in it, along with the jimping on top and the bottom. This is literally near perfect for a medium-sized man's hand. So ergonomically, design-wise, visual representation, everything here is meticulously just as close as perfect as could be. I have literally been looking to find something that is off about this visually with this cel shading, and I literally have not found it yet. The only thing in terms of the visual representation on the cel shading that I don't like is right here, right on the middle. I don't know if we can see this on camera, but that's where they put the serialization, right there. And once you get in close, I'm not really a fan of that particular spot right there. I would have preferred it if they could have hit it inside the knife handle somewhere here or on top here where you don't normally see it. Maybe right there would have been great too. But besides that, that's the only thing that I have spotted that I am really not just blown away with. But overall, this is an absolutely Job well done, knocked it out of the park. I want to see so much more of this. I am absolutely stunned looking at this knife. I can't believe it. It's like it's literally just popping out of a cartoon or a video game. It literally looks like you just pull it right out of Borderlands, right out of the screen, right out of Borderlands, and get to work with this bad boy. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that subscribe button. It really does help the YouTube algorithms, and it would be greatly appreciated. I will see you guys in the next one. I'm out.